Guys, what is going on today? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for the likes and subscribe on all my other videos. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. Today we have a lot of things we're gonna do to the car, but it's gonna be split up in different videos. But right now, what we're gonna do right now is just go ahead. We're gonna go wash the car. But first, I'm gonna buy something to drink because I'm thirsty. I'm gonna take you guys with it, and let's just go. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so I just went up to the gas station. I put some gas in my car and I bought my favorite drinks, the Celsius. Now my favorite flavor is the orange, but sadly they didn't have it. I think the orange flavors are going out everywhere. But this is my favorite drink, energy drink, or just drink in general. I just love it. All around love it. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's get to washing the car, alright?
This beat is so
car is done. It's nice and clean. Shiny, clean. The tires are good. The headlights are good. So you guys remember the black that I painted? I painted these black. It's super smooth. It's still nice and clean. Look at that. Don't worry about this. Ooh, killer. Smooth and clean. So in another video, we're gonna talk about like all the mods and stuff that I did to this car. Because as you guys can tell, and the inside is all nice and clean too. As you guys can tell, there's some stuff in this car that's not, that didn't come with the car, basically, you know. Just so you know, this is mounted on there. You see the screws? This is mounted on there. Let me see if I can. See? Alright. But we'll talk more about that in another video. But guys, this is it for this car wash video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We got more videos coming for the Nissan Altima. I'm the guy for the Nissan Altima. You can call me the Nissan Altima guru. Alright? So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Stay pretty, stay beautiful. I'll see you on the next one. Alright? Peace.